Start by using Word's built-in heading styles, heading 1, heading 2, etc. These not only structure your content, but also feed into your table of contents. Once your headings are styled, go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, and choose a classic automatic style. Ta-da! Now you have the table of contents, easy to use, and you can navigate to the page you want. Next, citing sources. Head to References, insert citation. If you haven't added sources yet, click Add New Source, choose book, article, or website, and fill in the details. Once added, insert your in-text citation as you write. When you're done, click Bibliography and select a style, APA, MLA, or what your paper requires. Word does all the formatting for you. No hassle with punctuation or hanging indents. So there you have it, an automatic table of contents and a clean, styled bibliography, all with just a few clicks. If you found this useful, like and subscribe for more quick word tips. See you next time.